Are you looking for the top 5 best mini electric screwdriver kits? I bought and tested these mini electric screwdriver kits so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you know the frustration of dealing with stubborn screws and the wrong tools. I dove deep into the features, usability, and overall value of these top 5 kits to help you find the right one for your needs. Let's get started.
Product number 1, Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. When I first got my hands on the Fantic E1 Max electric screwdriver, I was immediately struck by its sleek design and solid feel. The aluminum alloy casing gives it a premium touch, and the gray color looks professional without being flashy. I had a few electronic devices that needed some TLC, an old laptop, a tablet, and even a camera. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight it felt in my hand. With a powerful Neo Pulse motor operating at 200 RPM, I was curious to see how it would perform. As I dove into my repair tasks, I was pleasantly surprised by the precision torque settings. The ability to switch between low torque, 0.05 Newton meters, and high torque, 0.2 Newton meters, allowed me to tackle delicate screws with confidence. I remember working on my laptop, and the last thing I wanted was to strip a screw. This screwdriver made it easy to control the torque. The manual torque option of up to 3 Newton meters also came in handy for those stubborn screws that just wouldn't budge. The magnetic storage case caught my attention next. Not only does it keep everything organized, but the pop-up mechanism is strangely satisfying to use. Each of the 50 bits is made from durable S2 steel, ensuring they won't wear out easily. I often found myself switching bits frequently, and having them neatly arranged in the case made the whole process seamless. Battery life is another vital aspect, and the E1 Max did not disappoint. The 350 mAh rechargeable battery powered through over 450 screws on a single charge. I was able to complete several projects without needing to recharge, which is a massive plus for someone who tends to forget to plug things in. Product number 2, Fantic E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver. Next up is the Fantic E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver. I was excited to test this one out because it's designed for those intricate projects that require a steady hand and precision. Right out of the box, the E2 Ultra offered a sleek space gray finish with a solid feel in my hand. I had a few smaller electronic items ready to be repaired. Think mobile phones and small appliances, and I was eager to see how this tool would perform. One of the standout features of the E2 Ultra is its impressive torque control. With 5 adjustable settings ranging from 0.05 to 0.6 Nm, I felt empowered to tackle anything from delicate smartphone screws to slightly tougher laptop fasteners. The 270 RPM Neo Pulse motor made quick work of the screws, and I didn't have to worry about stripping them, thanks to the precise torque adjustments. The battery also deserves a shout-out. The 800 mAh rechargeable battery lasted significantly longer than the previous model I tested, allowing me to complete multiple projects without recharging. The Type-C charging port made it easy to recharge, and I loved that it didn't interrupt my workflow. The magnetic storage solution, dubbed RevoStore, is another fantastic feature. The rotary storage bin kept all 50 bits neatly organized, and I had a blast using the pop-up mechanism. It's not just functional, it's fun to use. The inclusion of a pry bar and tweezers made the repair process much smoother, especially when dealing with tiny components. Another unique aspect of the E2 Ultra is the gradient indicator bar, which gives a visual cue of the torque setting and screw status. I found this feature super helpful for
Product number 3, Strabito Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. Moving on to the Strabito Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, I was intrigued by its promise of being a 70-in-1 kit. This meant I would have a plethora of options at my fingertips, perfect for the various electronics I had lying around. The moment I opened the kit, I was greeted with a well-organized case that made it easy to find the right bit. The ergonomic design of the screwdriver itself felt great in my hand, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The fact that this kit features 64 magnetic bits is impressive. I found myself switching between Phillips, Torx, and flathead bits effortlessly, which was a huge time saver when working on different devices. The 5 upgraded torque settings, ranging from 0.3 to 0.5 Nm, offered excellent control when tightening screws, and the manual torque option of up to 7 Nm was a great feature for those stubborn screws.
One of my favorite features was the built-in LED lights. They illuminated my workspace beautifully, allowing me to see what I was doing even in darker areas. I often found myself working on items in less than ideal lighting conditions, so this was a game changer for me. Battery life is also commendable. The 350 mAh lithium battery lasted for an impressive number of screws, over 600, which was more than enough for my needs. The Type-C charging port made recharging quick and easy, ensuring I could get back to work without much downtime.
Product number 4, Unamela Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. The Unamela Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is an exciting kit that boasts an impressive 140-in-1 configuration. When I first opened the box, I was amazed by the sheer amount of bits and tools included. It felt like I had an entire repair workshop at my fingertips. The first thing I did was to grab the electric screwdriver, which is ergonomically designed and lightweight, making it feel natural in my hand. Equipped with 5 torque settings ranging from 0.15 to 0.35 Newton meters, I was able to tackle a variety of screws with ease. I found the rotational speed of 200 RPM to be just right for my needs, providing a good balance between speed and control. I remember working on my friend's laptop, and the Unamela allowed me to zip through the screws without worrying about damaging any delicate components. The 120 CRV bits included in the kit cover almost every imaginable screw type, from Phillips and Torx to Pentalobe and Hex. I felt confident knowing that I had the right tool for the job, no matter what I encountered. The inclusion of 19 additional repair tools was a fantastic touch, making this kit perfect for anyone who enjoys tinkering with electronics. Battery life is critical for any electric screwdriver, and this one did not disappoint. The 350 mAh lithium-ion battery is rigorously tested for safety and longevity, and I was pleased to find that it charged quickly, within just an hour. The Type-C charging interface made it easy to keep the screwdriver powered up and ready for action. The case itself is a compact design that keeps everything organized, making it simple to find what you need when you need it. I appreciated the one-click pop-up mechanism, which made accessing the bits quick and enjoyable.
Product number 5, Pocovy Electric Screwdriver Cordless. Finally, I got my hands on the Pocovy Electric Screwdriver Cordless. At first glance, it's a bit bulkier than some of the other mini screwdrivers I've tested, but don't let that fool you. This tool packs a punch with its powerful motor and 3 torque settings. I was particularly drawn to its versatility. The Pocovy is designed not just for electronics, but for a range of household repairs, which appealed to my DIY spirit. The first thing I noticed was how comfortable the contoured handle felt. During my testing, I spent several hours working on various projects, from assembling furniture to fixing electronics, and the ergonomic design made it easy to grip without causing hand fatigue. The soft grip trigger provided precise speed control, which was a great feature for more delicate tasks. The 36-piece S2 steel bit set included with the Pocovy was another highlight. These bits are resistant to wear and corrosion, which makes them durable enough for a range of tasks, from tightening screws on small electronics to larger household items. I appreciated having such a diverse selection in one kit. Battery life is impressive. Featuring a 1500 mAh battery, I found that it lasted significantly longer than other models I've used. I was able to complete multiple projects before needing to recharge, which is a huge relief when you're in the middle of a task. What I particularly liked was the forward-reverse function, which made switching between driving and removing screws a breeze. The auto-locking chuck securely held the bits in place. After diving deep into these top 5 mini electric screwdriver kits, I can confidently say that each one has its unique strengths. Whether you need precision for electronics, versatility for household repairs, or a comprehensive toolset for various projects, there's a perfect fit here for you. Don't waste your money on subpar tools. Invest in one of these quality screwdrivers that will make your repair tasks not just easier, but also more enjoyable.